favor, tapen los pupitres, por favor, tapen los pupitres. Tenemos la lista de comprobación. Wow. Okay, entonces, here we have a new checklist for this quarter. Now, it is new and improved and highly organized and just the way I like it. I'm super excited about this because the first checklist that I gave you in the very beginning of the year was review from Spanish 1. So that was one strike against it. I didn't like it because it was review. Also, I didn't like it because I did not have it organized according to dates. This time, it's much more organized. I even separated it by week. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this. Okay, now, you are going to put this in your binder, in the very front, in a plastic protector. So, por favor, all of you should have plastic protectors that you purchased in the beginning of the year. Take one out and put it in the very, very front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pásenlo, por favor. Now, there's a lot of information on here, but I'm going to try my best to keep it within 15 minutes. But I want to make sure that everybody is very clear as to what we're doing this semester. I want to be very confident about what it is we're going to achieve by the end of this quarter. So let's go ahead and look at this together as soon as everybody puts it away. Okay. So with that said, I'll give everybody a little chance to regroup. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and do a little review as to what we're going to be doing this semester. Now, originally our big goals were escribe un ensayo en 1 hora, to write an essay in 1 hour. Also, producir un acto de Don Quixote, to produce a part from Don Quixote. We're going to do a modern day version. Now, for those of you that don't know what Don Quixote is, it is a grocery store here located in Hawaii. It is also